Moving your fridge safely, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about a common challenge we face while relocating: how to prevent damage to the fridge while moving it. As you might already know, moving appliances like refrigerators can be tricky due to their size and weight. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step.
Preparing your fridge for the move.
First off, prepare your fridge at least a day before the move. Start by emptying the contents. This includes removing all the food, ice trays, and detachable shelves. Defrost your fridge to prevent water leakage and potential damage. Remember to clean and dry it thoroughly to avoid mold and unpleasant smells.
Securing the fridge internally.
The next step is to secure the inside of the fridge. This can be done by taping down any loose parts that can't be removed, like glass shelves. You can use bubble wrap or towels to provide additional protection. Tape the fridge doors to keep them from swinging open during transit.
Protecting the fridge externally.
Now, let's focus on protecting the exterior of your refrigerator. Wrap the fridge in a moving blanket or use bubble wrap to safeguard it from scratches and dents. Secure the protective covering with moving straps or strong tape to ensure it stays in place.
Safe lifting and moving techniques.
Moving a fridge isn't a one-person job. Always get help from a friend or hire professional movers. Use a dolly to transport the fridge and secure it with straps. Remember to lift with your knees, not your back, to avoid injury. Ensure the path is clear of obstacles, and move slowly to avoid any sudden impact. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to prevent damage to your fridge while moving it. Remember, preparation, securing, and careful handling are key to a successful move. Happy moving, and we hope this guide proves helpful to you.